Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start trading cards inside Monopoly Go, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the thing with Monopoly Go here is typically you can only trade cards here if you meet a certain type of criteria. Now, at its bottom right of the screen, you should see the album section. Let's go and just access that, and let's go and access one of our albums. Now, the thing with cards here is if you don't have a card yet, like for example, we have the tower here and we don't have that yet, you could go and just press or click on it, and you'll have the option to request this card from a Facebook group or from a friend. So if you click on Facebook group, this will basically open up a Facebook group here specifically for Monopoly Go, and you'll be able to post that you need this specific card. So in this case, again, if you click on the FB group here, you'll have the option to basically post something regarding what card you need right now. Now, also, if you click on friends here, you'll have the option to request this from your friends. So in this case, you go and click on this one and just request this from one of your friends. Now, you can only request the stickers here one at a time. So if you really need that sticker, request that specific sticker. So yeah. Now another way for you to trade cards in Monopoly Go is if you have an extra of that card. So as you can see right now, I have an extra of the Rapunzel's brush card here. So if you click or press on that sticker, as you can see, you'll have the send to friend. Now again, these the option that says send to friend is only available if you have an extra copy of that card. So if you click on send to friend here, you'll have the option to choose a friend here. Like for example, let's go and just choose this friend. And if you want to make an exchange, you can go and just enable that as well. And you go and just click on continue. So basically, you're giving this to a friend, but in return, they may need to send a card first in order for them to receive that specific card. But yeah, so you can go and click on continue to proceed with the trade, and that's about it. So, found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.